Hello YouTube, I'm going to do this appeal video in English language. I'm working on YouTube since 9th August 2021 and about 300 videos on my channel. I am appealing for my YouTube channel with this URL and custom URL www.youtube.com/c/NEWAKAZI. According to YouTube review, I will review my channel for monetization. YouTube said my channel cannot be accepted because my channel has reused content. I will go through all the contents on my YouTube channel and I'm going to show you how I produce my videos, how I come up with the ideas, and how I edit them. The first gameplay video here was played and recorded by myself. Also the following gameplay videos of MOBA games like Mobile Legends, Pokemon Unite, and many more, and Battle Royale games like PUBG Mobile, PUBG New State Mobile, Call of Duty Mobiles, and many more gameplays videos, and some cultural dance videos which I recorded myself that is going right now. So this is the software I use to record my gameplays, and as you can see I play them myself, and to edit gameplays KineMaster is the software that I use to edit my videos. The process in which I used to edit this gameplay videos is the process I used to edit all the other gameplay videos. I did it using my own voice. The same voice I am using in this appeal video was what I used in my other videos, and I recorded my screen using inbuilt screen recorder that I played and uploaded, that is available in this channel. I recorded my phone screen and I used my voiceover some of my videos that has voiceover on them. I did my research on all the videos about the cultural videos and I filmed it myself using my mobile phone camera. I did not copy any content of other creators to upload in my channel. All the remaining videos I made them by myself by recording screen while playing games, and I used my voice for the videos and remaining videos. I am the person playing gameplays of the videos that has been uploaded in my channel, and I edit myself using KineMaster software to edit all the videos. This 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them I recorded screen myself while I played and edited in KineMaster. Now I want to show you my software and my application where I edit my videos. This is the application that I am using for editing my content. For example, let's suppose I give you a demo for editing my content. I will choose a video from the gallery for editing that I have recorded previously, and then I started to edit my content which I have been using for editing my videos. If these videos are found in any other channel, that channel must be my own because I have other YouTube channels too, and I have gone ahead to delete all the same videos on the other channels which was these videos on it if YouTube checks again online. I have deleted it, and to prove that YouTube channel is my own, I will upload this review video on that channel too, to show you that the YouTube channel is my own, and you won't even find these videos on other channels again because I have gone to delete them. So I have shown you how I edit my gameplay videos using KineMaster, and these other videos were edited too using the same software. I showed you as this is the software I use to edit my videos. Apart from this software, I use another software named Turnip to stream my gameplays directly live on YouTube. For making thumbnails for videos, I use PixArt software. For demo, I open app and take any plain background and crop it into the YouTube standard size. After that, I import a picture from gallery, which is the screenshot of my gameplay, and add effects and text etc and required objects to make my thumbnail look informative and good. As if these videos were approved to upload on YouTube without any restrictions, then I think they must have followed all the YouTube community guidelines, and commercial values was added to all the contents that I have uploaded on YouTube. Thank you very much, YouTube team. Looking forward for your favorable response. Thank you for your precious time.